We out here capturing the highs and the lows of Freshers Week.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey, it's Reb and welcome back to my channel. So it's the first day of Freshers, it's Sunday, and I can't wipe my shower. Really just want the shower, but it's cold. So I was just trying the shower for ages. I was just letting it run. One way I turn it, it goes really, really cold, and the other way is just cold. I assume that's meant to be warm. And the tap, when I put it to hot, is also cold. So I'm like, is there just no hot water right now? So I just messaged the flat group chat like, is anyone else's hot water not working? But no one's replied. No one's online. I don't know if they're here. Do I go into the kitchen and ask? I don't know. So I tried to have my shower, but it was cold. So I messaged the group chat and another girl replied saying, yeah, mine didn't work either. So came to the conclusion it's not my fault. So I just embraced it. I could not put my head under that. It was so cold. I tried to like dry shampoo, but it's just a mess, as you can see. Great first morning. Hopefully that'll get sorted. It's only up from here, so I'm gonna go make myself a big sandwich. It's like past midday now and I've not left my room, so see who's about, and yeah, catch you later. Just had some cereal. I was gonna make a bacon sandwich, but I looked at the cooker and thought, I cannot face that going wrong. So I just had some cereal. There's nothing really to do today, so I'm going to finish editing the vlog and then upload that. We haven't really got anything planned and it's raining, so don't particularly want to go out and explore. Just got to work out where I'm going tomorrow morning because I've got 9 AM induction. I just thought instead of sitting in my room on my own, I'd put on my comfiest hoodie and go sit in the kitchen, so there's a few people there. No one's in the kitchen, so I'm just going to grab my laptop. I'm going to leave my door open in case anyone wants to come in. It's like 4 now. We went into town and got some lights to decorate the kitchen. We had to go to the reception that the hot water's not working. Imagine the first day. So I made dinner, which I will tell you about later, but now we're going down to the beach. I have no idea where we are.
We're at the top, we have to go down like the ziggy-zaggy bit.
Nice. Oh, okay, this is quite exciting. Oh, it's steep here, isn't it?
Flat day out.
Flat night out. But not a night out.
But not a night out.
It looks really creepy. Wow. Oh. Oh. So, we're back from the beach. We just like each brought one drink, had it down there. It's lovely, by the sea. And then we were like, should we go out? We weren't going to because we have 9 AM, but that's what Freshers is about. But before that, I tried to make dinner. It was actually fine, but it was a bit stressful. No one else is like cooking here. They're like getting things out of a packet, microwave, but I was like making a carbonara, like making the cheese sauce, you know? It was okay, I was just banging about different pans. It might take like 20 minutes, it took me over an hour. I don't know how. Interesting, an experience. But yeah, it was nice, and I thought I made like 2 portions, but I ate it all, so either I'm greedy or I don't know how to portion. I have scales, but sorry about that. We were just sorting out our tickets for the night out. We had to buy them online, so we just did that. If you're saying, I have scales, they're here, but I don't have the battery, and it's really specific. It's not like a normal battery, so I just have to guess all my portioning, which is interesting. And none of my flatmates have scales. Apparently that's not a normal thing to have. Yeah, we're gonna go out to Cameo tonight, which isn't the student bar, it's one in town. It's a big A-list student move-in party. Apparently everyone in the year above's going, so scary. But I know someone in the year above, so she told me. It's really good. Just gonna decide what to wear. Get ready. Tonight has honestly been so good. Last time I filmed, I think we were getting ready to go out to the club in town, but there was a bit of a change of plans basically. We all walked there, 6 of us from our flat. We walked there and the queue was massive, so we left at like 11:30 and the queue was really big, and we got there and we stayed in the queue for a bit, but it had been like half an hour. We're like, there's no way by the time we get in, and then like, because we want to leave a bit early because we've got 9 a.m. most of us, so we didn't want to be there till like 3 a.m, you know, so we were like, nah, let's just go back to our flat and drink. I like going out. It sounds a bit like, oh, it's a shame, and like we're bought a ticket and stuff, so I was like, a bit annoying, but obviously if my whole flat wants to go back, I'm not just gonna go in on my own. So went back with them, we got in, and we don't have a pack of cards, so recommend bring a pack of cards, because I saw people say this before, and I was like, oh, I'm sure someone else will have one, but no one does. And they're really handy, and like it's better to have like 3 packs than none. We got the Ring of Fire app, and we were playing that here, and it was just so funny. Now it's like 2:30, I'm gonna get up 7:30, I think. It's a bit early, but I just want to make sure that I have everything organised, because like we're leaving at 8:20. I've decided what I'm wearing already. It's just jeans and a jumper. It's not very exciting, but I want to try and look kind of nice to meet people the first time. Basically, one of my flatmates knows where we're going, and where he's going is right next to where I'm going apparently, so that's good. Actually, as well, last night when we were out, this girl came up to me and was like, oh my god, do you do tourism management? And I was like, yeah. And was like, oh, I'll see you on Monday, blah, blah. And like, she literally just recognised me from being in the group chat, so like, that was really sweet. But yeah, definitely try and join group chats, because that was really sweet. And then on Tuesday, I'm getting a ferry. No, firstly I have to make my own way to Bulky. Okay. Then we have to get a ferry to an island. Apparently the island's really nice, like I'm quite excited. I do like travelling, but a ferry hungover. Okay, that's gonna be fun. But yeah, I'm quite nervous for tomorrow, because I've kind of got comfortable with my flatmates now, and then I have to launch into another situation with new people and try and make new friends, and it's scary. Now I'm gonna head to sleep, catch 5 hours. That's actually alright, like I can do that. I've taken an ibuprofen just in case. I've got my water. Oh, I'm so happy. I love it. Also, I haven't done a proper room tour yet, but just look how cute this is. Oh. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. Catch you in the morning. Good night. Leaving now to go to my first lecture. Oh, induction thing. I'm scared. I'm back. It's now like 5 p.m. and I had a whole day at uni, and the weather is horrible. So yeah, I was in a bit of a rush this morning, hence the messy stuff. Yes, so I got on the bus with my friends from my flat. On there I met someone who's doing the same course as me, and then we met another girl who'd messaged on the group chat, so that was good. Had people to walk in with, which we love. So yeah, we had a like 2-hour welcome lecture, then we had a 2-hour break, so I met up with some of her friends. We wanted to find a Boots, so we just found the nearest one, got on a bus, went there. It was just some random street in Bournemouth, like it was not a student area, but we went to Boots, got some stuff, and then went back to uni, got a sandwich there, so I forgot to bring lunch. We had another session, which was about online safety, how to present yourself online. Bit scary. And then had another hour's break, and we messaged the tourism group chat, like, anyone want to join us? We've got this little booth. Then there was like 10 of us girls sat around for an hour, just getting to know each other, and then we got split off into seminar group. So some of us were in one, some of us were in the other, and in that one we like got to know each other. That was a small group of like 15 people. And those ones we did like some icebreakers. Tomorrow we're going to Bouncy Island. I'm exhausted. Right now I'm going to go say hi to my flatmates. I've been out all day, and I'm going to make a jacket potato, and then we're going to have a nap, and then we're going to get ready. We're going on this trip, and we have to answer a load of questions about the island and stuff that we find out, and then on Friday we have to do a presentation. Hate presenting, but my group's quite good. There's some like confident people in it, you know, so I feel like that's good. But yeah. So I made a jacket potato in the microwave with beans and cheese for dinner. I didn't even have a nap because I got chatting to my flatmates, having a good time. We decorated the kitchen and put all fairy lights up. It's so cute. I'm gonna get my stuff organised for the trip tomorrow to Brownsea Island and then get ready for tonight. There's a girl I met on my course today and she's from the same accommodation I think I mentioned earlier. She's gonna come around for prees with her flat. But yeah, gonna go get ready.
Alright, I want to see your fist pumping now, let's go.
Morning. We out here capturing the highs and the lows of Freshers' Week. This is a bit of a low. First hangover of Freshers' Week. I feel like I'm already on a boat and I have to get on a ferry.